If your M2 MacBook Pro won't boot, here's how to safely recover your data. First, check power, cables, and any external drives before proceeding. Boot into safe mode from startup options to limit software interference. In recovery, run disk utility first aid and attempt to mount APFS volumes. Try Mac sharing mode, Apple's target disk option, to access files from another Mac. If the drive stays inaccessible, prepare to use Apple Configurator for a revive. Apple Configurator offers Revive and Restore. Revive reinstalls firmware without erasing. Restore will erase internal storage. Do not use unless you have backups or accept data loss. On the host Mac, check Finder or Disk Utility and copy accessible files immediately. Important: File Vault encryption requires your login password. Firmware actions do not bypass encryption. If the SSD is physically damaged or data is critical, stop and contact a certified recovery lab. Quick recap: try safe mode, disk utility, Mac sharing, Configurator Revive, then consult pros if needed.